Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. Today I'm actually joined with Jacob from Bagwell Woodworks.
How's it going?
Yeah, Jacob, tell us what we worked on today.
I had an idea. I started turning pins, and I knew Zach had a laser engraver on his CNC, and so I thought we'd give it a shot and see if we could maybe engrave something on a pin.
Yeah, I think that turned out pretty cool.
Yeah.
And that one's Padauk, right?
That one's Padauk.
Cool. So we did one out of oak and one out of Padauk, and I think it turned out pretty cool. So you're going to see how we did it. Stick around. Alright, cool. I actually liked how that turned out, and one of the cool things is we just kind of concepted a quick little, I guess, dado inside of a piece of scrap wood to hold the pins. And once we were happy with that, we definitely had to try it on a couple different pieces of wood. So this is just a scrap piece of oak that's already been turned down to a roughly the same size. And once we were happy with that, we decided to try the oak pin, which what was the
That one was a Jim Beam bourbon barrel.
Yeah, so Jim Beam bourbon barrel pen, which actually turned out really good. And we noticed that it was a little fatter font than we wanted, so we lowered it down a little bit just to get the next one, and that was the Padauk one. And this one we're really happy with. So I think we got ourselves a winner here.
Yeah.
Special thanks to Jacob for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And why don't you tell the folks where they find you?
Yeah, Facebook, Instagram, and I'm actually on YouTube now. I've only got a couple of videos out, so I'm just getting started. But yeah, I'm all over the place. Just Bagwell Woodworks. It's pretty simple to find.
It's on the shirt, but
yeah.
Cool, man. Well, I appreciate you stopping by.
Dude,
and
thanks for having me.
Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.